So let us make this code more efficient. Now to make it more efficient, what we do is, now by passing this 5 and 6, we are assigning the values to num1 and num2, right? What we can simply do is, we can just define a method. We'll say the method name will be set values, and then we can pass those values here. So we'll say num n1 and n2, right? It's because the only reason I'm expecting these values here is so that I can assign those values to num1 and num2. What if I can just assign those values here? So instead of writing in some method, I can write it here. We'll say num1 equal to n1 and num2, cut this here and paste it here. So num1 is equal to n1. So we'll pass those values here in n1 5 and n2 6, so that we can get num1 as 5 and num2 as 6. Now we have to call that method, so we'll say obj dot, we'll say set values, and we'll pass those values here 5 and 6. So we don't need to pass these values here. Once we have assigned those values in set values, no need to pass these values here. So we can remove this extra spaces. Now we are printing that result in the same method as sum, right? What we can do is, we can just define one more method. We'll say show result, or we can have any method name, and then we'll print this statement somewhere here. Okay, so the advantage what we're getting is, we are just simplifying our task and we are creating multiple methods to do those tasks, and then we can call obj dot show result, say show results. And that's the advantage, right? You can use set values, we can call sum, and then we can call show result. Then you will say, what is the advantage? Advantage is, let's say we have one more method here, which is public void subtract. Now the advantage you'll be getting is, here we can simply say result is equal to num1 plus, it will say num1, num2 subtract num1. Now the only thing we have to do here is just do the operation, and instead of calling sum, we will call sub. So the answer we'll be getting is the subtracted values. So we'll run this code, and the value you're getting is as 1, right? And that's the advantage of dividing your task into multiple methods. Clear? And that's it.